What's up guys, welcome back, and today as you can see I'm here with a brand new Tecno Watch 3 active smartwatch. And in this video I'll be unboxing this watch so that I can see what's inside the box and also showing you how to set up or connect this watch to your phone. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Now let's look at the carton. You can see here Tecno Watch 3 active, enhanced Bluetooth core, 2.02 Hz large display, IP68 water and dust resistance, and I can see up to 12 days use, 12 months warranty. Look at the back. That's unboxing. So just this cable, charging cable, the user manual guide, and here's the watch. Okay, look at the body. Let's look around the body and see. The body is made of, will I say metal or iron? I don't know for now. Here's a smart crown or power button. Once you press here, it ons. Here's like a back function button. Look at here, has a sensor, and you can charge it here from here. Look at the strap, silicone. It looks durable. So take a look. Here are the speakers. It comes with only just one strap. You can see. So here has a sensor. If you put it on your wrist like this, you can monitor your heartbeat rate. So how do you power on? Just come here and press and hold it for a few seconds. It vibrates and begins to power on. You see this English, you can tap language of your choice. I'll select English. I'll get this QR code where you can scan and then install the app. But for now, I can skip this and do this later. I'll tap and hold here, and it brings me to the watch face home. You can see I can use this small crown here and navigate through the watch. If I press here, navigate and change watch faces. And you can see if I tap here, it brings me to menu or the app menu. I can select anything. If I tap here, it brings me back to home. Yeah. So this button is like a back button. Also, if I tap here, it brings me to sport activities. You can see here exercise activities, running, cycling, skipping, and so many things. If I tap here, I come back. I go back to home. You can see. So now how do we set up the watch to our phone? There are two ways. So the first one, I will show you how to set up with Bluetooth calling. For instance, if I bring my phone right here, enable Bluetooth, tap and hold it, enable it. So I can go here on the watch right here. Just watch and see. I'll tap here and tap and go to apps. You can see here phone call. I'll tap on it and turn on Bluetooth calling. Turn on. So right now my phone will start searching. You can see it just searched and found the watch, Tecno Watch 3 active. I'll tap on it to pair. You can see here pair with Tecno. I'll tap allow and tap on pair. So it will pair. I can see here connected. So right now I've connected my watch to my phone through Bluetooth calling. If anyone calls my phone right here, it will appear here on the watch. I can receive the call right here. I can end the call right here. You can see, for instance, let me call my number here on this phone. So I'm dialing my number here on this phone. You can see if it's ringing here, it will be appearing right here too on the watch. Oh, unfortunately, I don't have airtime on my other phone that I'm calling with. No airtime, but maybe you will get a beep flash here. You can see I just got a beep flash because no airtime. But if I call, if it's ringing right here, it will appear here too. You can see. So that is Bluetooth calling. So now apart from this, you can actually bind your watch to your phone, whereby you can control your watch on your phone through the app. So I will show you how to set up. It's very simple. So at this point, I will now drop my watch one here, and then I will bring the manual. On the manual right here, if I open the manual, you will see this QR code. You can also find it on your watch. on your watch right here, you can actually go to menu on your watch, go to settings, tap on settings, scroll down. You can see your system, about, tap on about. You can see app download, tap here and you get this QR code where you can scan with your phone. Same way with the one you can see here on the manual. You can see, so at this point I will scan here and then it will take me to Play Store where I will install the app, the Tecno app. Look at the app name here, My Health. You can find the app on Play Store or App Stores. You install it and then bind the watch to your phone, whereby you can control the watch on your phone. Understand? So at this point I will come to my phone camera and go to my QR code, enable the QR code, and then come right here and scan it. I will tap on the link right there, so it will open and take me into Play Store where you can download and install the app. You can see here My Health. After installing the app, tap on open. You can see here welcome, tap on welcome. You can swipe this way or you can skip if you wish to. After that, tap on this try now. You can see here it says select gender. So right now you want to create a profile or an account. You can select, or you can skip this and do them later. You can skip. You can see here, allow My Head to access your physical, tap allow. And right now you can see that we have actually entered into the app. So how do you now bind your smartwatch to your phone? You can see this option here, devices, tap on it. So tap on this add. You can see here login. Tap on this agree. It will bring you here to put your email address. After that, they will send a code to your email. You come here and put the code and then log in. So I'll come here and put my email address. If I enter my email address, I'll come here and tap on this check here. I agree. Tap on this get code. So processing. Okay, you get this one. You can actually verify this. I'll drag it from here. Verify if you're a woman. You can see code sent to my email. So I'll go to my email and get the code and put here. On my email, you can see here, here's the code. I'll just copy it or I know it. I'll then go back and put it. If I come back, I'll put it right here. Tap on this login stroke register. It's verifying. You can see login. So right now I've logged in. You can see. So right now I've created an account or a profile. I'll tap on this allow. So it will just search and it has found my watch, Tecno Watch 3 active. You can see. So to connect or to bind, I'll tap on this plus sign. Look at my watch here. It's still trying to bind or to connect. So I'll get this pop-up, allow. I'll tap on this allow, check. So after that, you can see my watch information will just appear and display on my phone. So right now I've binded or link my watch to my phone. So at this point, I can do several setup of the watch on my phone. I can control the watch on my phone. I'll tap on this, got it. You can see I can also change different watch faces. If I wish to, I can cancel all this pop-up here. If I tap here, it will change on the watch. If I tap here, it will change. And also, as soon as you just link or bind your watch to your phone, the time on the watch will just reset automatically, because right now the watch is accessing internet. You can see, so you can do several setup here on the phone. You can see, right? I believe you can know how to link or bind your watch to your phone, or how to connect a watch to your phone. So that's it for this video. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.